Hello YouTube, welcome back to this quick video. Although that on our last lesson we spoke relatively quick about the data type, I just saw that it's important for me to recap a little bit of what is data type, right? And so I just put the basic definition of what is the data type. Variable data type describe the type of type of data, sorry, not the type of type. Describe the type of data a variable can hold. Variable data type describe the type of describe the type of data a variable can hold. And on the last lesson, we say that the variables can hold a type of string, a string. Also say number, and then we also said boolean, which is true, false, boolean, boolean, which can be equal to true, false, or let's say true or false. And there is also another one that is worth to mention, which is the chart, right? Which is a double point, numbers with a double point, right? Which is a number or just a number with double points. So for the string, last time we saw when I actually create the variable, let's say let my name to be equals to Pinto. Last time we saw that if I console this, you guys will see that the type of this data, the data type of this variable will be a string, right? So let's just say let's age be equals to, let's say 23 again, and then I'll say let my salary be equals to, let's say 20.3, right? I mean 0.00, and then let's is it raining? Is it raining? I'll say equals to false for now, and then we can start displaying this data type. So I'll just say log, I'll say console log, and then I'll pass type of. For the first name will be my name. You guys will see the my name variables is holding the data type, which is actually a string, right? And then if we do the same for all the variables, you guys will see that the age will be a number, my salary will be another one, and then this is rain will be another one. So you guys see that all this value has a different type. So as you can see, there is a string, a number, although that we do have this number with the double points. The JavaScript, it doesn't see at the char, right, as a character. You see it as a number. So the only three variables, aside if you come out for the language such a JavaScript, Java, or let's say Python, maybe you'll see that those programming language, they have a chart data type, which is actually a concept of basic of characteristics. Let's say a number with a different bullet point, if I may say like that, right? And then this is but this is the JavaScript data type that I do have. But now the question is, let's say for instance on the age, I assign this age to be let's say 23 again. What will be the age type? So if I do that, you guys will see that this age, it will be now a string. But we don't want, sometimes if you're writing a code, we don't want a user to type something, and we need not gathering the specific data type of that, or that let's say that field, right? Or let's say input field. So if I just say age is equals to age, and then I'll say plus 2, you'll see that my age now, it's going to be, if I go on top, let me just see. Let me just remove this data type. I just want to display the age. My age now, it's going to be 2, let's say 232, which is wrong. I don't have, I'm not that old, right? I'm not that old. So there is a way that we can convert this data type to be, this value to be as a number. So the best way to do so is by doing, for instance, age is equal to a number. First, you have to convert it and then pass age. If I do that now, you guys will see that my age will be 25. I'm basically actually just incremented my age by 3, since by 2. So since that my age now is actually 23 on top, basically I'm just incremented this age to be 24 by 2. So there is a way, short way to write actually this is just by placing this and then do it like this. It will be the same thing. So guys, this is my, oh, okay, so it has to be, I think I have to join it like this, I'm not sure. Okay, so it's important with variables we can also do some arithmetic stuff. We're gonna see arithmetics. It says okay, I just delete age is not defined, but now I'm getting this, which is fine now. But I just want to see something quickly. If I just do that, you guys will see that now my age is actually 25. So this is just a short way for you to increment your age. We could have incremented by 1. If I increment it by 1, my age now will be 34, right? So that's a concept, guys. I just want to bring up this information to you. I hope you guys like this lesson. That's quick lesson about the data type. And then remember, there is only 3 types of data type. I can even delete this one because I don't want you guys to make any mistake. So my salary I can remove. So there is only 3 data type in JavaScript, which is actually string, number, and boolean for now. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give a big thumbs up, and then see you to the next class.